Diana, wake up. Prepare for school. Yes, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
What's your idea?
Jonathan! You're late! Wake up! Mm. Bye, ma!
Ano mo ID? Uy, ano mo ID?
Break of the self-break. The continentals. You're late again, Miss Cascara.
Sorry, sir. I will not do it again.
Again? Make sure of that, Miss Cascara.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good morning!
Good morning. Good job for being early always. Okay, take your seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, for our recap on yesterday's discussion, what are the elements of communication? Okay, Ms. starting.
Ma'am, sender.
Okay, thank you. What else? Okay. Loading. Okay, thank you. Media. Thank you.
Coding, ma'am.
Okay. Receiver, ma'am. What else?
Feedback.
Okay. What else? Noise. Okay, thank you everyone. Please clap your hands. Okay, class, get one whole sheet of paper and write an essay about what they expect of the education system in the future generation. Thank you, Darren. Thank you.
About communication needs. So what is communication needs? So it helps individual to communicate effectively. Why to communicate effectively? It is because not all of us are capable of learning. For example, to those people who have a disabilities, like in their sight, they can normally see like all of us. Okay, Ms. Cascara, what do you think is unaided communication? You're talking with Mr. Hayubin. Please stand up. So you did not study this. I told you yesterday to advance study. And now, you can't answer my question.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, class, in our yesterday's activity, I have already checked your papers and you did a great job. Please clap your hands. And for today's discussion, please get your lecture notebook and take notes.
Okay, please get a copy of our discussion today because tomorrow we will have a long quiz.
Excuse me, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Ay, isa. Ako sa ito, isa ka?
Okay, pass your papers.
Okay, pass your paper in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Wait, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Oh, yeah.
I am no concern, ma'am. Is my grammar correct?
Yes, you did great.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see if you answer your essay yourself. Adria, you have wrote here in your essay the positive impact of globalization. What is the positive impact?
We can easily communicate to different nations, and especially to my parents who was an OFW.
Okay, thank you. Mongado, you have right here in your essay the negative impact of globalization. What is the negative impact?
Sir, example of negative impact is illegal transportation.
Okay. Miss Cascara, you have wrote here the positive and the negative impact of globalization. What is your conclusion about it? You can answer. Did you just search it? Okay, sit down. In today's generation, students have lost their respect to elders, especially to their teachers who stand as their second parents.
Today's education, students take advantage of the technological advancement like using of AI tools. In classroom, they take pictures of the lessons instead of writing it.
And with that reason, it gives negative impact to the student and their studies.
We will not learn if we don't listen.
And we will not learn if we don't take education seriously.
Because in education, we can give knowledge to protect our future.